isukapi. Ayikho indoda engathi kuthandwana namhlanje veni iphohloza ikhanda lomfazi. Ayikho. I'm not promoting ukuthi amadoda asibulale. Kodwa mina engikushoyo ukuthi asibulala ngenxa yemkhuba yethu. Singcolile, sikhohlakele. Sibolile thina abafazi, singcolile.
Everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, nansi video ke esisumsindo omkhulu on social media, especially ku TikTok. Gender-based violence guys is a very serious issue and a very sensitive topic, especially in South Africa. Therefore whoever khuluma ngayo kumele aqaphele amagama akhe or into ayishoyo. I know ukuthi abanye bayamvumela uMamthembu, abanye bayamphikisa because what she was saying was her opinion. Akusilo iqiniso or not a fact. So guys, no one deserves ukubulawa in a relationship, whether uyindoda noma ungowesifazane, despite ukuthi wenzeni. I think izikhona ezinye indlela izinto ezingalungiswa ngayo or omunye ongasekho happy ku relationship aphume kunokuthi kube khona umuntu ofayo. Nkulumo kaMthembu yenza abantu abaningi baba ne interest to biography yakhe ukuthi kahle kahle ungubani, where does she come from and what happened to her past. Ama investigators akwa social media athola ukuthi according to Sowetan Life newspaper published 2014 December, uMamthembu was married only for 8 months with her husband who was 60 years old and a pensioner at that time. Her husband was murdered guys, and Thenjiwe or Mamthembu became suspect number 1. She was sentenced life imprisonment, but wahlala only 2 years because at that time her husband or at the time of her husband's murder, Thenjiwe's defense was that their car was hijacked and she managed to escape. The police were contacted by her and she led them to his body next to the roadside where she said she escaped. Ellen, her husband, had been beaten and strangled. The prosecution countered her defense by arguing that she set up the hijacking as an alibi by arranging for ababulali. But the prosecution guys had no evidence to support the argument. Ellen's killers were not found and no evidence was found possibly linking them to uMamthembu. So wabe sededelwa ke after 2 years eboshiwe because babongekho ubufakazi obuphathekayo bokuthi wambulala ngampela umlungu ayishade naye only for 8 months noma cha. Everyone is innocent until proven guilty. So Mamthembu was found innocent kulelo cala. Guys, I don't wanna lie, leya video yakhe iyalumela kakhulu, especially kuma victims and families ababulawela ingane ngehluku kuyona lento ye gender based violence. Angazi uthini umbono wakho? Please check out leya video and let me know what you think on the comment section. Bye.